Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to craft fence in Hytale. The first thing I want you to do is actually go ahead and press the tab key on your keyboard because we need to go ahead and craft a workbench. So to craft a workbench you need 4 pieces of any tree trunk, 3 pieces of any stone, and then come here, click on craft. Once you've crafted this, come here and press F, and then I want you to click on this icon to access the crafting menu. Now in this crafting menu, I want you to go ahead and craft a builder's workbench. So click here. You just need 6 pieces of any tree trunk, 3 pieces of any stone, and then I want you to click here on craft. And once you craft that, I want you to come here to the builder's workbench, press F, and here in input, I want you to go ahead and place any type of log. So I'll go ahead and place this oak log. And as you can see right here, we actually get fences. So I want you to go ahead and click on this fence, click here on craft, and you can craft as much as you want. I'll craft all of them. And as you can see, I have fences, and I'll go ahead and place them just to show you right here. But that is how to craft a fence in Hytale. Now if you found this helpful, make sure you go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.